My name is Fernando Morey. I'm originally from Venezuela, but I lived most of my life in Brazil. SOM has an extremely diverse and vibrant and welcoming community. Every single day, you're surrounded by talented and driven individuals, but at the same time, they're all very warm and open. This is such a unique mixture that I don't think you can find in many places in the world. You can take classes at other graduate schools such as the Jackson School, the Divinity School, and have a very well-rounded approach to your higher education. So I'm part of two main groups. So the first one being ALAS, which is the Association of Latin American and Hispanic Students at SOM. We plan events, we discuss topics related to our background, and basically help each other. I thought that student government would be a great opportunity to represent my cohort, develop more leadership skills. And here I honestly believe that you can learn as much from your classmates than from the actual professors. So it's just a great community to be part of.